In this lecture, we will discuss about the importance of the DNA and rRNA. rRNA means ribosomal RNA sequence for the comparison. Here, the DNA and RNA sequence are been hybridized, or the both molecules are been hybridized of the different species, and through the hybridization we can know the comparisons or the assessment of the microbial diversity. This is related to the molecular or genomic methods for the assessment of the microbial diversity. Here the some prokaryotes have circular DNA, but some of them have the linear DNA, and very few of them have more than one chromosome, which involves examples such as Vibrio and Borrelia species, which includes more than one chromosomes and have the linear DNA. But the some organism or the some bacteria have an extra chromosomal DNA, which is known as an plasmid. Plasmid is also known as an molecular vehicle, or it is also known as an extra chromosomal DNA. The eukaryotic microorganisms contain the DNA in the nucleus, in the mitochondria, as well as in the chloroplast. Here, how it can be assessed, what type of assessment method is been used in this method. Here the DNA approaches for the assessing the microbial diversity has been relied on the comparison. There will be how this method will assess the microbial diversity. Here the comparisons of the nucleic acid base composition. There will be comparison between the nucleic acid base composition and comparison of similarity between genomes by use of nucleic acid hybridization. How will they assess in this method? How will they assess the genomic or the microbial diversity? By the comparisons of nucleic acid base composition, and another one by the comparisons of similarity. There will be comparisons of similarity between two genomes of nucleic acid by the hybridization process. In the nucleic acid hybridization, we will take the two organisms, DNA of two organisms, and it will be converted into the single stranded form. Here we can take the two organisms DNA. We will take the DNA of the two organisms, and it will be converted into the single stranded form by the denaturation process or by the heating process, and allow them to hybridize. Here the two organisms DNA will be taken, which will be in the double stranded form, and allow them to be converted into the single stranded form by the denaturation process, and allow them to hybridize. Here if there is a similarity, here the similarity word which can indicates which is the synonym of the homology word. Here the homology of the sequence or the similarity of the bases, the separated DNA molecules will anneal to form a heteroduplex. Here how we can indicate there is an similarity between the two organisms? If both the single stranded DNA is anneal. Here anneal means it will join or form a duplex or heteroduplex. That means they have similarity between each other. The two organisms has been similarity between each other, or they have been derived from a common ancestors. How they can derived from a common ancestor? How we can say that is been derived from a common ancestor? They will form an heteroduplex. Here duplex means the two organisms which are been DNA which has been converted into single stranded form will anneal. Here anneal means to join, and join to form a heteroduplex or double stranded. Hetero means more than one type of organisms DNA, or more than one type of DNA is being taken, and it can form an heteroduplex, or it can form a double stranded heteroDNA. This means there is a similarity between both the organisms. Now what will this similarity indicates? This indicates the two organisms are from the closely related strand. How will this homology or similarity indicates? This indicates the two of the organisms are closely related to each other or probably evolved from an common ancestors. Here, if there is an more than 70% similarity, that indicates there is an unknown isolate. The unknown isolate are from the similar species or the similar category. The difference in the melting temperature, it is been indicated as an Tm. Here the melting temperature and difference is been indicated as an delta. Here the difference in the melting temperature for the DNA extracted from the closely related species should not be more than 50 degree Celsius. Here the another parameter is been taken. The first parameter is an nucleic acid hybridization and the second parameter here it is an melting temperature. The difference between the melting temperature should not more than the 50 degree Celsius. If the both the organisms are from the closely related strand, their melting temperature here indicates means the DNA will be in the double stranded, which will be converted into the single stranded by applying heat or by applying temperature, should not more than the 50 degree Celsius, which can indicate the similarity. Here the melting temperature of DNA should not more than the 50 degree Celsius, which can indicate the similarity between the both. Here similarity between the two organisms, or it can be indicate that they have been derived from the common ancestors. Here the microbial genomes, here the genomes mean genome size or the DNA sequence or the DNA size should be vary in the sizes from species to species. The DNA will be as small as an 0.558 MB, which is present in the Mycoplasma genitalium. Here the organisms named such as Mycoplasma genitalium, which have DNA size would be 0.58 MB. This organism is an obligate parasite which can depend or rely on the another host organisms which have lacking cell wall. Mycoplasma itself indicates it lacks the cell wall, or the DNA size which is big as in 7.59 MB, which is present in the Mesorhizobium loti. It is an organism which is a nitrogen fixing endosymbiont. Here the nitrogen fixing bacteria, which is an symbiotic bacteria which has an DNA size up to 7.59 MB. Here the sequence of the nucleic acids has been determined for the large number of microbial species. Here the sequence of the nucleotides has been determined for the large number of microbial species. This sequence or the database has been used for the rapid comparison. The database, how the size of the DNA would involved in the comparison or for the assessment of the microbial diversity. Here the microbial or the DNA size has been determined, or it can assess the comparison, or the database involved in the DNA would be used for the rapid comparisons of the sequence distribution among the microorganisms. Here the microbial genomic database, it is an rapid comparison method. Which method? Microbial genome database is used for the comparative analysis of it is managed. How this database method, it is been managed by the Japanese National Institute of Basic Biology. This microbial genome database is a method which is used for the rapid comparisons of the two organisms, which is been managed by whom? It is been managed by the Japanese National Institute for the Basic Biology. What is the aim of the microbial genome database? It is the aim for microbial genome database is to facilitate the comparative genomics of diverse microbial species. Here the aim of the microbial genome database is to facilitate or to make a diverse or make an decision, or it can make a or facilitate a comparative genomics of the diverse microbial species. It can make a comparison between the diverse species of microorganisms or the microbial species. Here the three parameters has been taken. First parameter it is an nucleic acid hybridization, which involves the comparisons between the two DNA. Here the two DNA organisms of the two organisms DNA would be taken, which will be in the double stranded form, which will be converted into single stranded form and allow it to join, which will form an heteroduplex. If they can form a heteroduplex, it can indicate or it will be indicate that the two of the organisms are from the closely related strain or they have came from the common ancestor. The second parameter it is an melting temperature. The melting temperature which involves the melting temperature indicates or the process means here what does melting temperature indicates? The indication from double stranded to the single stranded, that is known as an melting temperature of DNA, which should not more than the 50 degree Celsius. The difference between both the organisms different melting temperature would not be more than the 50 degree Celsius. And the third parameter it is an to sequence or to know the sequence of the database or to know the nucleic acid database among the between the two organisms, which can be done by the microbial genome database, which can facilitate or which can indicate the rapid comparisons of genome between the two organisms. This is for the molecular context for the assessment of the microbial diversity.